TFNN Headline News Update.
Okay, folks, Larry Pesavento for TFNN. I would like to bring to your attention here, we had some of the most bearish things I've seen in my lifetime. And, of course, you can see the market, it didn't react the way everybody thought it did. What I wanted to try to do was to show you why things are happening like this. But this is a crude oil. Remember, everybody knows what's going on. Just a second, folks. I've got some positions on that are doing really good, and I got to make a correction here. Just a second right now. Get that out of the way now. I'll get this back up so you'll be able to see it. Okay, and this was a crude oil. It was due higher. No one knew how much higher. I saw this ABCD at 78.54. I tried selling it at 78.54. The high was 78.28. It just took that out by a second, and immediately, folks, immediately is like in seconds. It dropped $1 a barrel, and it's come all the way down. It's trading just above 72 now. Okay, so the market had already anticipated that news. The only thing that I had to work on was gold, and if I looked at the gold market, you'll see here that gold was due to be higher. It closed. You can see here was the overnight low here on Sunday, and then it opened here on Sunday. There it was, right there, 34.15. It came all the way back here, folks. It dropped $50 an ounce and then rallied $50 an ounce. We're seeing a lot of volatility. All I'm trying to tell you is when you see the news out there, take it with a grain of salt. I always have. When I come to my regular show, I'm going to give you some examples of stuff that I've been through over the 63 years I've been trading and give you an idea that you got to pay attention to what the charts are saying and not what people are saying. And nothing is more important than it is right now, because with the news the way it is, you don't know what's going on. I had originally thought, I had talked to Rich Anderson Saturday afternoon when the bombs had started hitting and he said, well, it'll be limit down in the S&P probably. And that was, limit down was 250 points in the S&P, roughly $12,500 for the first trade. It opened, it didn't even take out the low of Thursday. Hello, operator. I mean, the low of Friday. So, I mean, it was really, when I saw that, and I'll go through that and how I looked at these markets, because I've been doing it a long time. By the way, the smartest thing I did last week was get out of the long gold or long wheat and long beans. They're down a lot, but we made really good money, and I probably should have sold them short. We'll be right back.